In this video, you're going to learn how to build a high-level snapshot. Hey there, my name is Kerry, Knoll, and in this short video, I'm going to answer that question by answering these three questions. 1, what is a snapshot? 2, why use snapshots? And 3, how to actually create a snapshot. So first things first, a snapshot is a simple copy of a particular sub-account. All right, and the reason we want to use these is because it makes it super easy to deploy intellectual property from a sub-account to another sub-account, so that there's some value behind creating something inside of a specific sub-account and then potentially selling it to a customer or a client, right? So I'm inside of my demo sub account here, and let's just say we want to make a snapshot of this account. So perhaps we went in here and we created a whole bunch of automations. In this case, we only have a couple automations that are in here just for fun. There's nothing really fancy with it. We only have, I don't even think we have just this simple form funnel. Has one page with a form on it. We have a form built in here. If we go to Builder and Forms, you'll see that we have one form called Form 0. With contacts, we don't have anybody in here but myself. We don't have anything under membership. It's really pretty simplistic. We don't have any calendars. We don't have any opportunities or pipelines, I don't think. Oh, we do. We have one pipeline in here as well, a sales pipeline. Okay, so we have a sales pipeline, no calendar. Under sites, we have the one funnel. And then under automations, we have these three workflows. Okay, so if I wanted to make a snapshot of this particular sub account, I would go into my agency view by clicking here and then clicking switch to agency view, which brings me over here, and I'm in account snapshots. Then I would click create new snapshot, and then from here I would give it a snapshot name. You could give it a simple name like the name of the actual sub account, so I could just name it demo. I like to have a naming convention, so I like to use versioning, so I'll do like v1.0 and then the date in reverse order, year, month, and then day. And then maybe the name of the sub account or the name of whatever I give this particular snapshot the name of. And then from there, under account, you can select any of your sub accounts you have created. If you don't want to search the entire list, you can just type in what you're looking for. So if you do that, you can grab it. And then what will happen is you'll hit save. And then once you hit save, it'll say created on, last updated on, and you can see this little wheel spinning as it's refreshing the snapshots, grabbing all the pertinent details, and it's already done because it's a very small snapshot. From there, we can actually refresh the snapshot. So if we go back to that sub account, make any changes, we can come back here and click this, and it'll import all the changes we made. We can click this plus button to create a new account using this particular snapshot. We can push the updates that we've gathered from that particular sub account that's in this snapshot out to all the linked locations, meaning any sub accounts that have been created using this snapshot. Or we have these three dots where we can either edit the snapshot, copy the snapshot ID, or share the snapshot, or delete it. So if we click on edit snapshot, we can give it a different name if we want to. If we want to actually share the snapshot, we have different options here where we can share different types. We can get a one-time share link, we can get an email share link, we can get a permanent share link, we can get an agency restricted link, and we can get a sub-account restricted link. And so you can choose whatever option you want to protect the actual snapshot so it doesn't get used and reused and abused essentially out there on the different places that hackers tend to share intellectual property, right? So this prevents that from happening. Once you choose the one you want, you'll just click get link and it'll give you the link, and then you can pass the link along to an agency or a sub account specifically, or that one-time link that can be used only one time. Once it's been used, it basically deletes that link from memory, does not exist anymore, and cannot be reused. All right, so that's how you would easily build a snapshot and why you'd want to use one and how important they can be, specifically when you want to share your intellectual property via customer, client, or somebody else, and or want to charge for that, because then you can actually resell without having to rebuild everything every single time into a brand new sub account. Hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. If you do, please leave them below this video, and I'll do my best to answer them in a timely fashion. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for Highlevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes High-Level Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about High-Level. You will also receive the High-Level Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines A.I, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines A.I SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines A.I actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines A.I at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the 823.10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with Highlevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if Highlevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or Highlevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my Highlevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try Highlevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for Highlevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with Highlevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of Highlevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of Highlevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of Highlevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have Highlevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the Highlevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including Highlevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the Highlevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the Highlevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to Highlevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the Highlevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my Highlevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with Highlevel inside of Highlevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.